Hey there, wealth builders. Are you ready to take control of your finances and save $1,000 in just 30 days? It's not only possible, but I've got 10 simple and actionable steps to help you get there. Grab a notebook, because you won't want to miss this. Let's dive in. First up, implement a spending freeze. For the next 30 days, commit to buying only necessities like groceries and essential bills. Say goodbye to impulse buys and eating out. This single move could save you $200 or more. Second, plan and prep your meals. Eating out can drain your wallet fast. Instead, cook at home and batch prep your meals for the week. You'll be amazed at how much you save, easily $150 this month. Do you really need 5 streaming services? Audit your subscriptions and cancel any you're not using. Even cutting 2 can save you $30 to $50. Pro tip, look for free trials and library streaming options. Got stuff lying around? Sell it. Declutter your home and list items on platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Poshmark. On average, this could net you an extra $200. Transportation costs add up quickly. Carpool with friends or coworkers, or use public transport when possible. This could save you $50 to $100 on gas and parking. Before paying for services, ask yourself, can I DIY this? From brewing coffee at home to learning simple home repairs, doing it yourself can save a fortune. Estimated savings, $50 to $75. Here's a big one. Call your service providers and negotiate your bills. Whether it's your phone, internet, or insurance, a 10-minute call could shave $20 to $50 off your monthly expenses. Who says fun has to cost money? Explore free activities like hikes, community events, or streaming free movies. You could save $50 or more by skipping paid entertainment. Saving on utilities is easier than you think. Lower your thermostat a few degrees in winter or raise it in summer. Combined with turning off unused lights, this could save you $20 to $40. Lastly, dedicate 1 or 2 days a week as no-spend days. You'd be amazed at how much you save by simply not spending at all. Potential savings? Another $50 or more? There you have it. 10 simple ways to save $1,000 in just 30 days. Remember, every dollar saved is a step closer to financial freedom. So, which of these steps will you start with today? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips to grow your wealth. Until next time, keep building that financial